we feature a car that was originally built to show but wound up a pure strip killer. The car we are talking about is Rick Johnson's 1962 421 Pontiac Catalina. Originally purchased in Phoenix, Arizona for $2 grand, the car was put through a complete body-off restoration with an eye for some drag racing, but mostly to be shown at local events. After a pretty thorough run through the car show circuit, the drag racing bug began to eat at Rick, especially considering his colorful history of quarter-mile competition during the 60s and early 70s. The first time the car hit the track, it kicked out a somewhat impressive 11.77 seconds at 120 miles per hour. As time passed, more high-performance hardware was added along with a complete reworking of the power plant and drivetrain. Modifications include punching out the 421 SD motor 60 over to a wide-open 433 big cubic inches. A hot competition cam was dropped in the bottom end along with Arias 12-to-1 compression pistons and Carrillo steel rods. Fuel is provided to the thirsty engine courtesy of dual Carter 500 CFM carburetors sitting on top an original PMD Super Duty dual quad manifold from 1962. A 514 rear axle with a strange spool and axles hooked to a Jericho 4-speed makes this car especially dangerous to competitors off the line. Rick's Pontiac currently holds the NMCA record in the Nostalgia Superstock class, running 11.04 seconds at 122.55 miles per hour. Fastest ET to date, though, is a crack-your-neck 10.91 seconds at 123.05 miles per hour at the Great Lakes Dragway in Union Grove, Wisconsin. While power is definitely the key here, so is the weight factor as the Catalina sports the lightweight aluminum front-end clip, including front and rear bumpers. What you see then is a total of 3,611 pounds with the driver. A colorful Mandalay red paint job with the no sponsor emblem honors the '61 Pontiac Ventura his older brother used to campaign in the early '60s with the same emblem. Running hard and heavy as part of the Midwest Nostalgia Superstocker Association, the Catalina sees full-time duty at nostalgia and muscle car events throughout the Midwest. As a big block monster, this Pontiac performer peels off the gut-wrenching power, durability, and looks it takes to be Top Gun.